good evening. Hi, look. Look at the weather. Hi, it's not seen. Now you will see there is a sandstorm. Yeah. But it's not seen. But if you will see, it's like fog. But this is a sandstorm. See? Now I'm in a mall. Me and my friends. We are going now. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, madilim.
Huh?
Hello. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Speak English.
Thank you so much to all my friends. Yan, first, Ate Grace and
Imelda.
Thank
Ate
you so
Imelda,
much
say hi.
for the free taste to McDonald's.
Yeah. Okay, alis na po. Bye.
Nagbigay